What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part 2 of my apartment garage makeover. Last time we already took care of the flooring, and today I want to take care of the insulation. As you see, I have a little space heater going in the back corner. It's currently 26 degrees in Northern Virginia, and I've had that thing running for over an hour. I was only able to get the garage temperature up to 50 degrees. This garage door lets out so much heat in the winter and radiates so much heat in the summer, so I really got to do something about it. Here's what we're going to be using for today's project. It is a garage door specific insulation kit by US Energy Products. It just came with 4 pre-cut sections of foil lined insulation, double-sided tape, a squeegee, and a razor. I think I got this whole kit for like $72 on Amazon. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description below. The first thing I'm going to do is thoroughly clean all the surfaces where double-sided tape is going to be applied, which is all the borders of all 4 sections and the framework. This is how we're looking so far. All the door panels and framing have been fully taped up. I'm just gonna point the space heater at the garage door to let all the double-sided tape tack up a little bit more. And then for the meantime, I'm gonna do some measurements on the pre-cut insulation sections to see how much trimming we have to do. I just drew a rough template to get an idea how I'm going to cut the insulation. My particular garage door is 9 feet wide and each panel is 21 inches in height. I do have to cut each panel slightly differently just because of the locations of the locks, hinges, and handles. It kind of works out that I installed the flooring first since each one of these tiles is 12 by 12 inches. Makes it a little easier for me to find where I need to cut. Here's how the first panel turned out. I started by sticking the center in place, and then I took the strips off the rest of the double-sided tape and started pressing the insulation in place, starting from in going outward. Overall, it turned out pretty nice so far, though I did cut a little too much material off these 2 corners. This is how we're looking so far. 3 out of 4 panels fully installed.
I made sure that the gaps between the panels are nice and tight, which reduces any chances of wind draft coming in between the cracks. I also unbolted these brackets on the side before I laid down the insulation. I think it looks cleaner bolted on top just like that. Here's what the lock area looks like. Last thing I'm gonna do before I call this done is take some aluminum foil tape and fully close up any remaining gaps around the hinges. I'm also gonna fully close up these holes on the side of the panels to get each individual panel as airtight as possible to maximize the efficiency of the insulation. Here's what the foil looks like around the hinges. Now, I may have gone a little overboard. This is nowhere close to being necessary, but I just wanted to maximize the thermal effect. All right, guys, the garage door is now done. The temperature outside's gone up 10 degrees since we started this morning. It's currently 36 degrees, and we're maintaining a temperature of 66 degrees inside the garage. So I know that door is doing something. The next thing I do want to work on is the lighting in here. As you might notice, it's much darker on the back side of the garage than up here. So that's likely going to be the next project. If you found today's video helpful in any way, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, want to keep up with this garage project or any of my other projects, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.